Now, see, in the beginning, I told that transformers, we are using these transformers almost everywhere, right? So here we'll see certain uses of transformers, okay? Now, the first one is transmission, very, very important, transmission. See, the electricity will be generated in somewhere near waterfalls or some hydroelectric project or somewhere, correct? Now, how do we get the electricity? Transmission, which is very, very important. See, now any wire has a resistance of its own, correct? So all the resistance, the energy is lost as a heat energy, correct? Because H is equal to I squared RT. So more the resistance you have, more will be the heat loss. And it also depends on what type of current we are sending. Like 20 amperes if I'm sending, obviously the heat loss will be more, right? So here the transmission is a very big challenge because we are transmitting over hundreds of kilometers. So time plays a picture, resistance and even the current. So we have to minimize the current as much as possible, correct? So for this, what we do is we use step-up transformers, okay? So in step-up transformers, what happens? The voltage will increase whereas the current will decrease, correct? So what we do is as we keep on increasing the voltage to very high, like very, very high voltage will be there, and then we send across that particular to different stations in stations, okay? So the job of a step-up transformer is to increase the voltage. Now it's increasing the voltage, so the current will decrease, correct? So that I squared R, so that particular value will come down. Okay, so that particular value will come down. So we are saving a lot of energy which was actually dissipating as heat energy. Of course, there will be losses, but it's reduced by a very good quantity, you can say. Okay, so transformers is used for transmission. Okay, this is one of the important uses. The second is step down transformers are used for a certain electric welding, you can say, because we need to get a lot of current. Okay, very high current is needed. Now a step down transformer decreases the voltage and increases the current, right? So we use step down transformers in such cases. Okay, so again a step down transformer is also used in electric furnace because huge current they'll have. Okay, so huge current they'll give, the metal will melt. Okay, so this is again one of the use. And step down transformers are also used in certain medical things, like to give you can say diathermy is one of the cases where step down transformer is used. Okay, again because of the current, heat will be liberated, correct? So we use that. All right, and step up transformer is used in production of certain electromagnetic rays, okay, such as X-rays and even certain amount of gamma rays. For these two, we use step-up transformers. Okay, so there is a lot of examples which we can give for uses of transformers. Now, these are certain examples and uses. So I would say that you guys go and search for different uses of transformers. Okay, so these were the losses and uses of transformers.